Are you currently learning to drive and wondering, am I ready for my driving test? How do I know when I'm ready for my driving test? What are the signs? My name is Neil. I'm a driving instructor. I've been a driving instructor for 8 years, and in this video I'm going to share with you the secrets or the tips that I use to determine whether my students are ready for their driving test. So, tip number 1. Can you check your mirrors? When I'm teaching someone to drive, I'm constantly checking them to make sure they're checking their mirrors, looking at their blind spots when they're moving off, and just generally checking their mirrors when they're driving, because you need to be aware of what's happening around you at all times. Remember, when you go for your driving test, you want to make the examiner feel safe, and they don't know you, they've never met you before, so being aware of your surroundings and checking the appropriate mirrors will make them feel safe, and more importantly, will make you a safe driver. Remember, when you turn left, you check your middle and left mirror. When you turn right, you check your middle and right mirror. And that applies to changing lanes as well. Signals. Are you signaling in good time and reliably? If you're able to signal reliably for most of your turns, then you know you're ready for your driving test. I see this all the time as a driving instructor. Students can signal too early, too late, or sometimes there's a road before the one they want to turn into and they're already signaling, and that can lead to a very dangerous situation. So are you able to identify the appropriate road and signal appropriately and in good time? So, mirrors, signal. What about the third tip? Let's talk about positioning and speed. So, are you approaching hazards and risks at the appropriate speed for the situation? So not too quick and equally not too slow. And are you positioning yourself in the appropriate lane for that situation? For example, roundabout, first exit left. Are you approaching the roundabout at a good speed, a speed that you're in control of your vehicle in? And are you signaling in good time? So about 6 car lengths. And position-wise, are you in the appropriate lane, which unless lane markings say otherwise would be the left lane. So, to summarize this video, are you able to check your mirrors appropriately? Are you able to signal appropriately? Can you approach situations at a good speed for the situation, and can you position yourself appropriately as well? Here's the bonus tip. I see this all the time as a driving instructor, which is people going for their driving test, or students going for their driving test. They feel like they can do all of the things that I've talked about, but they haven't worked on managing their nerves. You need to be able to manage your nerves as a learner driver, because on the day you will get a little bit more nervous, but you don't want to be so nervous that you can no longer drive in a rational and calm way, because the emotional part of your brain has taken over. There are many ways to manage your nerves. In fact, I made a video on it, so you can check out the video here if you want to learn how to manage your nerves. To summarize the video, can you check your mirrors? Can you signal? Can you position? Can you approach situations at a good speed? Are you looking in the appropriate directions? And have you worked on managing your nerves by doing a lot of mock tests, at least 5 with your driving instructor? Then you stand the best possible chance of passing your driving test. If you're currently looking for a driving instructor, I made a video on that. You can check it out up here. That will help you to find a driving instructor, or if you're looking to change your driving instructor. Stay safe on the roads. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you found value in this video, and let me know how you're getting on with your driving and your learning to drive, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next.